Are you tired of missing new comments because YouTube Studio shows most relevant first? Learn to switch to newest in 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click in YouTube Studio to filter and sort your comments so you never miss a new one again. So here's the thing about YouTube comments. When you're a creator, every comment matters. Someone took time out of their day to say something about your video. And if you're not seeing those new comments the second they come in, you're missing out on that connection. It happens to all of us. The default setting in YouTube Studio shows you what it thinks is most relevant, not what's newest. And that means a brand new comment could be buried somewhere down the list. So let's fix that right now. First thing, make sure you're signed into YouTube Studio. You probably already are, but if not, just head to studio.youtube.com and sign in with your channel account. That's the dashboard you're probably already familiar with. Now, over on the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. It's got things like dashboard, content, analytics. The one we want is community. Go ahead and click that. This is where all your comments live, and this is where the magic happens. Once you're on the community page, you'll notice a few tabs at the top. There's one that says published, one that says liked, and maybe a couple others. Click on the published tab. This shows you all the comments that are visible on your videos, the ones everyone can see. This is where you want to be. All right, now pay attention to this part, because this is the main reason you were missing comments. At the top of your comment list, there's a bar. It looks like a filter bar. And right now, if you look closely, it probably says most relevant or newest. By default, YouTube sets it to most relevant, and that's the problem. Most relevant is not the same as newest. It's a mix of engagement, replies, and who knows what else. It's useful for some things, but not for catching fresh comments. So click on that filter bar. A drop-down menu will appear. And there, you'll see an option that says Newest. Click on it. And just like that, the entire list reorders itself. Now, every single comment appears with the most recent one at the top. Every new comment that comes in after this will show up right at the top of the list. You can see the difference immediately. And here's the thing. Once you change this setting, it stays that way. You don't have to do this every time you log in. It remembers your preference. Now, go ahead and scroll through your comments. You'll see the timestamps. And if someone commented 5 minutes ago, it'll be right there at the top. No more digging through old threads. No more wondering if you missed something. And honestly, once you switch to this view, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. It just makes so much more sense when you're trying to engage with your audience in real time. I've tested both views extensively, and for day-to-day community management, Newest is the way to go. You see every comment in the order it was posted. So that's it. Sign in, go to Community, click Published, and switch the sort to Newest. You'll never miss another comment again. Go ahead and try it right now. Your audience is waiting.